Pleasure. Pleasure.
Correct. Thank you.
Ebyona bireho mu mpaka zitebeekanisibwa ba enjuba eza National Spelling Bee Competitions ezihindiro muri Serena Hotel muri Kampala kandi hakirimo amashomero 8 aho Parent Care Primary School muri Bushenyi na Magonga Primary School Kampala, Green Hill na Horizon International School gasingira gani gatyo gakatoranwa kujwekera Uganda mu mpaka ezirahindiro mu Rurembo Buranta yo mu ihange rya Malawi okorga habiro 8 kwika 2012 byo kwezi kwa 12 omwaka ogwo.
Rubbish. Rubbish. R-U-B-B-I-S-H. Rubbish.
Correct. Thank you.
Abazire hamwe n'abakuru b'amashomero barabwira kurekeraho kwita entaranta z'abana ubwo barukubazibira okwetabo mu mpaka nkezi.
Abazire nimbatero muhanga mweno kufayo ahantaranta z'umwana mukazibumizamu mukamuhereza obushagiki Okutunguura entaranta ze kaza spelling omukuzana emizano okweshongora n'omukushoma even ya entaranta yeye mazima muhemo omuhimbo umuhe na chance.
Bamwe mu beja babire bariyo mu mpakezi kandi abatunga n'emidari batugambira karunja kubarebereyo.
In spelling bee, during our training, we learned many new words, big words. For example, baccalaureate. And baccalaureate, the spelling is B-A-C-C-A-L-A-U-R-E-A-T-E. Baccalaureate. And many other words. For example, pterodactyl. Pterodactyl is P-T-E-R-O-D-A-C-T-Y-L.
Abeje basimire ministry y'ibyo bwegese ahabwe mpakeze zibari kugira ngo begire mu byinji munonga.
Director witu na teacher witu ntubasima munonga tutakagire heru tukantekateka tukakigiye cyo kushisha bwe but twayeze kugenda heru twayeze kuza mu competitions twacheba mu mugasho wasinga muba mwine kujoininga spelling babo kuba bazira mu babembagamba abana bawe byo nakyo kushisha bwe nani mpabo y'abazire abandi bazire ngo babara abana babo kujoininga nk'ebindi bintu nka spelling bee ago kuba abana mu babembagamba abazire babo ngo nakyo kushisha bwe.
Ishomero rya Parent Care Primary School mu Bushenyi neryo ryasingira amashomero agano mu Burenge bw'izoba kandi umwaka guru kwije mu kwezi kwa kabiri nubaza kujwekera amashomero ga Uganda yona omwihange rya United States.
When you are in spelling, you learn different words, different vocabulary which help you in your daily life. When you learn how to spell a word, you also learn its meaning and it can help you, even it can help people to get jobs.
The certificate as well as our overall winner.
Gasha kwa mai kwa tuachiri.